Alright guys, so apart from showing you how to secure accounts, I'm also going to show you how to make it much harder for hackers, scammers, stalkers to gather any valuable information from your Facebook account. Additionally, I'm going to show you some useful features in the Messenger app and also give you some advice. So if you value your security, stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. Okay, so Facebook have made setting up your account very easy. They've grouped everything in one place. So just click on your profile and go to settings, click on privacy checkup and select how to keep your account safe. Click on continue, change password, type your current password and make sure your new password contains an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, a number and a symbol, and save your changes. So I'll just move on to the next thing. Now, two-factor authentication. To turn it on, just click on manage, go to account center and click on password and security. Then click on two-factor authentication. Click on your Facebook account and the code will be sent to your email. Continue. And type in your Facebook password to confirm. As you can see, it says two-factor authentication is on. You are going to receive the code on your phone number. Alright, I'm going to head back and continue to the last step. The last thing is to turn this alert notification on. This way, when someone logs into your account, you are going to receive the notification on Facebook. Click on next, and that's it. Moving on to hardening your profile, just click on who can see what you share and then click on continue over here. Now I recommend you set everything here to either friends or only me. This way your email address, phone number, date of birth, education, and the kind of friends you follow or the page you follow will only be visible to either you or your friends. When you're done, just click on next. Over here you can choose your default audience. I recommend you set all these to friends, and then when you get to limit past posts, you can click on limit here and set all your old posts to just friends and then click on next. If you have anyone in mind you want to block, you can add them over here and click on next. Now we are done. Next is to click on how people can find you on Facebook and click on continue. It says you are in control of who can send you friend request. Who do you want to send you friends? Is it everyone or friends of friends? You can choose your choice. I have mine set to everyone. Then you move on to next. Who can we suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address? I recommend you set it to no one. And then you click on next. Now it says search engine like Google can link to your profile to help people find you more easily. If you turn this off, your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. But still turn it off. As you can see, we are all done hardening our profile. You can also select this three dots menu here to set up reminders. So you'll be reminded to go through your privacy checkup as we just did. Saved. Alternatively, if you think what we just did here under hardening our profile is a bit much for you, there is an easier way. You can just click on your profile, select settings and privacy, settings, and scroll down here. Under audience and visibility, click on profile locking. You can read through all this and just click on lock your profile. So when you lock your profile, this is what it's going to look like. But what I don't like about this way is if anyone should search for your profile and he sees your profile is locked, it makes the person think there is more to your profile and he or she is going to dig deeper. That is why I recommended the first step, because there's a saying that what you don't know is like a mystery. Do you get me? So doing it the first way might make whoever is searching for you accept what they see as it is. So I'm going to unlock mine because I don't want to lock my account. So I'll go back in there and unlock my profile. Moving on again to the last but not the least is the Messenger app. I want to show you a few settings over here. So just click in here and click on settings and then scroll down to privacy and safety. First thing is you can turn on app lock, which will use your phone's default unlock method to unlock the Messenger app. You can set it up to start right after I leave Messenger or 1 minute after I leave Messenger. Next, we could hide our read receipts. You can turn it off here. Then we can turn on our active status. If you don't want anyone to see whether you are active or online, just turn this off. You can go back in here again And then the last thing I want to show you is that you can create another Facebook profile within your existing Facebook account. All you need to do is just to click on manage accounts, then create a new profile. So this is basically going to create a new profile within your existing Facebook account. Continue. Now I'm not ready to create mine, so I'm just going to leave it here. You can set up a name and then click on continue. I believe you get my point. I'm going to skip this so I can get the account created for us to see. This is the account I just created with the name with Y, and you can see this all on my existing Facebook account. Let me give you an advice. Alright, my first advice is use incognito mode when logging in on public computers, so that even if you forget to log out, closing the browser will still keep you safe. Don't use your full name on social media. I recommend omitting your middle name on social media. This way, when someone claims they know you, you can ask them about your middle name as a basic security check. If they don't know it, you can conclude that this person only knows you from the internet. Lastly, don't upload photos of you with credit card, ID card, badges, anything at all that can be used to identify you. Facebook was originally meant to bring the world together, but it's now used as a tool for finding information about people. So you have to make sure you limit the kind of information you put out there. Just be cautious of what you post. Make sure that valuable information are not included. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, I also have a video on how to secure your WhatsApp accounts. You can check it up there. Catch you in another video. Bye.